day. So if you look at my analytics, okay, and we switch to lifetime analytics, lifetime analytics on by 9 to 5. All right, what you will see, okay, is right here. So I just started the channel in April, right? I was doing really slow. And then like month 2 in right here, it just blew up. Look at this, right here, 6,225 views. All right. Now, let me show you exactly what that was from. So, if you scroll down here, you'll see this video right here. In this video, it was the perfect storm. I must have made it at the perfect time. At the same time, I was also going in and leaving comments. There were a couple other big videos that were talking about this because I had talked about it in the past on a different channel. But anyway, so people were making videos about this, right? And so I left a comment on videos that had 300, 400,000 views on it. And I was commenting on the pinned comment too, the top comments and stuff like that. So a lot of people were finding me as I was posting this video, and so that helped really freaking blow it up. A lot of you guys probably found me from this video, and a lot of you guys probably found me from the comments I left on other videos that got you to my channel, that got you to watch this video, that got you to sub to me. All right, so if you look here, you'll see what blew that up, what exactly blew my channel up. It was this video right here. So right here, you can see the same exact date, July 2nd, 4,728 views. Okay, so I went from basically nothing to this video completely blowing up. I think it has almost 500,000 views right now. And so what I want to point out here is if you look at my channel all time and you look at my subs, at that point, I had like and I'm going to explain why this is important here in a second. But if you look at my lifetime and then you click my subs, you will see that before that moment, I had, if you just add these up, 40 plus 0, 1, 2, 38, 40, 50. So if you add all that up before I posted that video right there, that blew up my channel, I had like 200 subs, okay? So at that point in time, okay, I had like 200 subscribers. Now, let me show you how much money I made off those first 200 subscribers. So, I had a course since the beginning, right? And so, if you look here, this is like from some other channel that I was doing. And then, if you see, so then like right here is where I really started my Buy 9 to 5 channel, right? And so, the first month, $1,000. Second month, $13,000. That's off of like literally 100 subs. I made $13,000 just off 100 subscribers, okay? July, look at this. That month that I made that video that blew up out of nowhere, $64,000 off my course, okay? So I hope that motivates you that that's 200 subs that made me almost $100,000. With 200 subs, guys, 200 subs made me almost $100,000. So the point of me making this video is I noticed that because I was, going back and seeing what my monthlies look like compared to last year. And I'm like, dang, that freaking summer, it just blew the frick up. And it was that one video that did it. And the next month, same thing, 77,000. Then it started to kind of fall off, 38,000. So that video kind of started to slow down a little bit. It was still ranked for a year. And I'm still getting views and subs coming in from that video that I made every single day. It's one of my top viewed videos of the day every single day. And that blew up out of nowhere, guys. This is kind of stuff I teach you in the course, exactly how to find the opportunities and find how to rank videos, find how to make it happen. Obviously, I wasn't using any of that software that ranks videos or anything, but now we have that, and so it makes your job of doing what I did there even easier. But I want you guys to think outside the box there because that's all without ads, right? And so this came in with literally about 170 to 100 subs, 13,000. And then that one video blew up, guys, and that made me over $100,000, basically that one video. Because, that's quite the jump from 13 to 64. So be thinking, guys, as you're building your channels, what kind of product can I have? So if you have ads, that's awesome. If you don't have ads, be thinking, how else can I monetize a channel? Because, with the views I was getting on that channel, ain't no way I would have got anything close to that amount of money. But because I had a product, I was able to make a ton of money with very small subscribers, okay? And so I hope you guys are thinking about that same thing. First of all, I just wanted to show you that with barely any subs, you can make a freaking lot of money, okay? And with barely, and then what I also wanted to show you is that one video can blow up your channel. It can blow up your subs, it can blow up your views, blow up your watch time, and it can blow up your revenue. So even if you are monetized, just know one video doing something right one time, doing your research, finding the opportunity, and making it happen one time, okay, can blow up your ad revenue. But whether you have ads or not, be thinking about other products you can be pushing on your videos in the description, and then pin a comment to that product as well, like I do. That's all you need to do, man. You don't have to make your own course. You don't have to do any of that. If you have a product, just find people who are a certain audience, okay? And then if you can make shirts, like make a shirt store, like, because if you're getting 1 million views to a video and you're not making any money on it, or you're barely making any, or you're just making money on ads, you're missing out, really, because there's so many other things that you can be selling to these people. There are people that have millions of subs that they don't have ads, or they put one ad a video or whatever, and that's it. And they're really missing out on a lot of extra money that you could be getting. Like I said, I made over $100,000 with 200 subscribers, okay? So just find the right thing. Even if you're making videos like me about making money, but you don't want to make your own course, or you don't know how, or you don't have anything to make a video on about it, push someone else's course. Be an affiliate for someone else's course. You know what I mean? If you're getting politics people in to watch, 1 million subscribers of politic people, make shirts that are involved with politics. Make a store with shirts that are involved in politics. Do an affiliate link to, books, like politics books. You know what I mean? There's all kinds of things you can do. You can be an affiliate for Walmart. You can be an affiliate for Amazon. You can do a tech channel and link to, tech stuff on Amazon. All of those things are options for you. So I hope that this motivates you to see that even if you're struggling right now, it only takes one video to turn it around. So this kind of goes off my last video. If you're procrastinating, freaking stop it. Stop procrastinating. Make it happen, okay? One video can change everything for you. That's what happened on my channel. I was getting 700 views a video, and then boom, that one video still gets views and subs today. Okay. So, do your studying today with the course. It's more than easier than ever, because now we are working with that guy who has that software that will help you rank any video you want for any keywords you want. It's not free. So some of you guys think that it's not. It's $97, and it's 100% worth it, because you can rank any video. If you've seen me on the rankings lately, you know why. So, but anyways, I hope that motivates you to know that you can blow up a channel all you want with just one video. It only takes one to make it happen. And be thinking of other opportunities, other income streams you can get besides just ads. I teach ads in it, but I also teach other things, how you can get additional revenue with certain products and affiliate links, and there's all kinds of things you can do. You just have to think, okay? So like I said, over $100,000 with less than 200 subs. It can happen for you too. So just be thinking about that stuff. Quit procrastinating. Make it happen. I'm headed out to Ohio. We're going to watch some Roger Federer, Nadal, Djokovic, all those guys.